Alright guys, this is round 2 of smashing with the hammers.
This guy?
Homemade hammer here.
Homemade Italian hammer.
Smashing homemade can of axe. Made out of wood.
I like this hammer. I'll smash that rock. Bonus.
That smells good. Seriously does, Dad. Imagine that with tacos. Imagine it was a drink.
There it is. That's a degree for men. Done been beat up. Beat to a degree of men don't want to be beat. There you going with damn cannibal peanuts.
Ready?
There you go. There it went. Woo! About took out the mater plant, but took out the mater plant.
Oh God. I don't want to watch it. You know I want to be an innocent bystander too.
Alright. Well, mater plant's okay. It just looked like it got taken out.
Come here.
And we got peanut butter. Yeah.
Oh.
Solid miss.
Ooh.
That was insane. There is officially no peanut butter here. But there's some on the lid.
Ew.
There's some peanut butter.
Put it back on the block.
What is it?
Looks like Dookie. It's
Right.
got peanuts in it.
Okay.
And that move. There's one. Alright.
My mom brought that. My mom brought that. Watch out, dude. She stepped in the peanut butter.
That's good. Why would you destroy it?
We got a red man bottle or something of some kind. Everybody back up.
Hey, go sit over there.
Yeah, about took out the car. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe.